Good day everyone, welcome to Elaine's Caribbean Crochet. Today we'll be using the Sentro Knitting Machine to make this tam. Feed approximately 30 centimeters of yarn through the center of the machine. Hook the yarn under the white hook. Turn the crank away from you clockwise. Thread the yarn slowly until every other hook as it rises passes in front and back alternately until a full rotation has been completed and you are back to the white hook. This is casting on only one row. During this process, your row counter would have switched to row 1. You will then put the yarn through the opening in the yarn guide and pull it down so that it's firmly all the way into the groove. Begin cranking the machine without skipping any hooks. Watch carefully to make sure not one hook is skipped for the first 3 to 4 rows. These rows make the foundation and must be done correctly. Hold the machine with your free hand to keep it steady. For this tam, we will do 45 rows, which will take us approximately 20 to 30 minutes depending on our speed. Pull the yarn from the groove and the yarn guide. Cut the yarn leaving a 45 centimeter length and thread into a plastic sewing needle. Turn the handle clockwise and drop all the stitches off the hooks. Go through each of the stitches, alternating from going through the front of and back of the lowered needle. You must do this to the right of the yarn holder, with all the stitches now having yarn through each of them. Your item is finished when all stitches are cast off. Pull the loose end of yarn tight until it gathers and closes the opening of the tube. Thread the plastic needle and stitch a knot. Cut the excess yarn from the top and base of the hat. Leave a length of yarn for adjustment at the brim. And there you have it, our very own knit